Hello enthusiasts, welcome to TechExpress. In this tutorial, we're going to be exploring the 10 Web Artificial Intelligence Builder, an innovation tool to harness the power of the artificial intelligence to create WordPress websites. This is ideal for beginners and those looking for streamlines their web design processes. This artificial intelligence builder is your getaway to create professional-looking website with ease. Let's begin our journey into the world of the artificial intelligence-driven web design. First of all, introduction to the 10 Web Artificial Intelligence Builder. Now, this application is a revolutionary tool that automates the web design process. It uses artificial intelligence to convert any website into a WordPress site or to create the new site from scratch based on your own preferences. It's a game changer for beginners or those who want to quickly design websites without extensive technical knowledge. So, first of all, let's set up our 10 Web account. Now, you'll need a 10 Web account in order to continue. You want to head over to the 10 Web website and sign up, or I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description so you can get a free account and generate your website ASAP. Now, they offer different plans, of course, including the free trial, so you can choose what best fits for your actual needs. Once your account is ready, you'll have access to the 10 Web dashboard, not by first of all just focus into what you want to actually do, which is bring us into using the Artificial Intelligence Builder to create a new site. Usually what most people do is to create a new website with artificial intelligence, and then it's going to be asking you to let's start creating your website with artificial intelligence. Now let's use this new site section. So in order to get started, you can replicate a site, simply enter the URL or wanted to replicate, or just get started with something just brand new. For example, let's go for I wanted to create an informational website, or I wanted to create a website with an online store. Let's go here into next. And now please select the store type. So you can choose, this is like a bookstore, an ebook store, a boat rental shop, an online shopping here, chemical supplier. So just clicked in the, let's say for example, this is a clothing store, right? So you can see that it's going to be appearing a lot of options here. Let's say for example, if we are into the home decor, so let's go over try only Christmas, hit into next, and now the store name. Now, let's say, for example, that we are willing to add, let's say, tech, and then I can enhance this with artificial intelligence. It's going to be generating something a little bit much more descriptive to my store, and it's going to be helping me to improve the description to create something with a really great description here. So just wait a few seconds though, and check out how does it actually looks. Now let's get into next and add 3 products for your store. Let's say, for example, plush number 1. And the categories you wanted to choose, let's say for example plush. Now section number 2, let's say for example Pokemon towel, for example. Now categories, I'm going to go for towel. And lastly, you have the pot, let's say for example just like a collection toy. There you go, finalized. And the generating of the personalized artificial intelligence website is going to be added automatically. So customizing your website is once the artificial intelligence generates your website, it is time to customize it. So as you can see, this is how it actually looks, my website. I do have as seen by, I have different logos. Welcome to TechExpress, your ultimate video game store. Why to choose us? They have different sales, like just how actually looks here. The towel, plush towel, actually has something really great created. And as you can see now, it's going to be appearing try the pro versions for 7 days. So we're going to go and hit into the X mark. And this is the part where you wanted to drag and drop interfaces, makes it simple to make some changes into 10 Web. For example, first of all, let's go here into what you wanted to edit. For example, this side of exclusive deals. So let's go here and to edit your website with 10 Web Builder. And now I do have access to all these elements. For example, here, the elevate your gaming experience, I can double click and I can change that later. I can double click and change here this content, or I can write this with artificial intelligence. I can change the logos in here, then the integrations. 10 Web allows the integrations of various plugins and widgets to enhance your website functionality. You can even change the actual colors and formats and the social media buttons and so much more. These steps are crucial for adding specific features that your website actually needs. Lastly, we have the previewing and the publishing your website. Before you go live, always preview your website, check the responsiveness, loading time, overall functionality. Once your store is ready, you can check out how this actually looks into a mobile friendly. You can change the layout, and that, guys, is how you use the 10-Web Artificial Intelligence Builder to create a website. It's an efficient, user-friendly tool that simplifies the web's design process, especially for beginners. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to TechExpress for more tech guides. If you have any questions or experience with this great web application, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Thank you once again for watching this video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.